Hi guys, this is our first day in Las Vegas. So, gagala kami ni Baba. See you. Hi guys, so now we're leaving here. We're leaving Marriott. So,
We're waiting for our car.
yeah.
We scan our tickets and then we grab our park post. Valley parking.
So, it's so hot here in Las Vegas right now. Our car. So we're heading to our brunch in Truffle and Bacon kasi pa kami kumakain ng breakfast and lunch na rin. Ayun. Palabas na kami ng strip.
Meanwhile,
We are now here at Palette. It's a Chinese restaurant. Because we're craving dim sum for tonight. Ito yun. Masarap siya.
So those are the Dorian puffs. Look at the aesthetic. Kinda cool. Their dessert, I don't know why they brought them out first. And then this is the spicy wonton. Look. Again.
It's so hot.
Bomb.
Baba ate one already, so this is my part.
Tart. Parang siyang durian tart. Together.
Ito yung stick lang siya, but it's edible pala.
Yeah. Right?
Masarap dito ang mga pagkain.
Huh?
Masarap ang mga pagkain.
Yeah. Like so far, there's no disappointment.
Hi guys, we are now here at the Bini concert. So, we're waiting until they start. So, after concert, Papa and I we decided to eat because it's late now. It's already 12 and we're craving for seafood. Yeah. So we are here in Seafood and Bar. Here, C3 Seafood and Bar here in Las Vegas. Yung sakit natin.
high blood, high cholesterol.
So we're walking here in the Fashion Show Mall. We're back home.
Finally.
Finally.